Welcome to the Getting Started on MYOB lesson. This lesson includes creating a company file, viewing the command center, and also the initial workbook steps. After you have installed the software, you need to double click on the MYOB icon on your desktop. The Open, Create, Explore screen will appear. Click on Create. Click Next. At this stage we're just going to enter a company name. So type in AJF Trading. When you have done that, click Next. In this lesson we'll be working from the 1st of July 11 to the 30th of June 12. You'll notice that the current financial year showing is 2012, so that is correct. Just click Next, and Next again, and Next once more. We'll be working on a bookstore, so click on the arrow next to Service and choose Retail, and change Audio Visual to Bookstore. Use business type, click Next. Now click Next once more, and finally click Command Center. You are now viewing the Command Center. All processing is based around the Command Center, and it is made up of different modules. We have the Accounts module, Banking, Sales, Purchases, Card File, etc. If we want to create new accounts, we would click on the Accounts module and then Accounts List. Say for instance that we wanted to create an account called Office Cleaning, so we could go down to New, change this from Other Asset to Expense, type in 4 digits, and then type Office Cleaning, and click OK. We can now find the expense Office Cleaning on our list by clicking on Expense, go down to the bottom of the page, and you'll see Office Cleaning. It's been placed in at 6-4545. Click Close. As mentioned earlier, the areas at the top are called modules. These areas down below are activities. Within each module are different activities. If we click on the Banking module, you'll see that the activities change. If we wanted to enter a sales invoice, we would click on the Sales module and click on Enter Sales. Cancel. If we wanted to enter a supplier's invoice, we would click on Purchases module, Enter Purchases. Card File is a database of our customers, suppliers and employees. We keep information in this file, such as name, address, phone, tax file number, etc. Close out of that screen. We can also view many reports within MYOB, which helps with the management of a business. Click on Accounts. A whole range of reports are available. Now that we've had a brief look around the command center, we'll enter an invoice. Click on Sales, click Enter Sales, type in Jones Computing, and press your Tab button on your keyboard. Then click on Easy Add. The name that was just typed has now been added to our card file. Press your Tab button this is the way of moving around MYOB. We'll enter a date of the 30th of September 2011 and hit your tab button. Type in a customer purchase order number 6565. In the description area, type consulting. Hit your tab button and select miscellaneous income. Tab. In the amount area, type in $500. Tab across to the tax column and type GST. You'll notice at the top that the tax inclusive box is ticked. Therefore, within the $500 is included GST. It's also separated at the bottom of the screen. When you have finished all that, click record. We can now go along and have a look at the profit and loss account and see that particular entry which was just recorded. Click on the accounts module, click on the word analysis, expand your screen. You'll notice an amount appearing in miscellaneous income for $454.55. This is the amount, not including GST. GST goes to the balance sheet. So we'll go over there and have a look at that. Click close, click card file, and click the word analysis again. You'll notice here in trade debtors we have $500. Further down in the GST collected area we have $45.45, which was the GST on that transaction. Close the file. We can also make payments by going to the banking module, spend money. We'll make a payment. Enter the date 1/10/11. Hit your tab. Payment amount is $300. We'll leave the card file blank at this point and go down to the account area and choose telephone. You'll notice the $300 has been placed in the amount column automatically. Go across to the tax area and type GST. Once again, you'll notice that the tax inclusive box at the top is ticked. You can record the transaction. Cancel out of that screen. This lesson has given you a brief overview of MYOB so that you can commence working through the basics workbook. If you open the workbook, we will have a quick look at that. Page 2 of the basics workbook is your starting point. You'll notice halfway down the page is where we create the new company file. This is the same procedures that we just ran through.